So our increment is 101. Because I didn't put space here. That is why it brings the two together. So this is 101. So the function of this increment operator is that it had 1 to our value. Our value is already 100 before, and it had 1 to it, which is 101. So let me show you. So let me put space here. So let me show you decrement operator also. So this decrement operator also minus 1 from our value. Decrement. So minus a. So I'm going to comment this one. We use this for comment in Java. So Control save. So I'm going to recompile my Java program. So okay, I'm compiling the previous tutorial. Okay, operator. So here is our output. So our document is 99. So it removed minus 1 from our value. Our value is already 100. Why this decrement will remove minus from our value? So let me show you the another decrement operator. It is decrement operator, but the way we place our document will be different. So you know that before I already I first of all write my operator and put the variable name. But now I'm putting the variable name first and writing the operator. So let me show you um the meaning of it. So after I'm going to compile my Java program. So operator. So have you seen that it is 100, but it is not 100. It is 100 internally. Inside our memory, it is 99, not 100. Inside our memory, it is 99, not 100, because we have used this decrement operator. Why this increment operator also? If we put it here, it will also add 1 to it, but it won't show it. This one won't show it unless we print our. Let us display our variable a here. So hey, Control save, to compile. Have you see that it's 99? Internally, it's minus 1 from it, but it does not show it. After we print it, it will show this 99. So you can also test the increment operator also. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.